Alright. For anyone having issues out there with your CRZ, trying to connect it to, aftermarket radio, let me show you a few things. So, you guys can see right here, I left it kind of loose, so I'll have to come back and switch it up. I don't really care. This right here, let me see if I can get the right one. Yeah, so if you see, instead of me going ahead and connect it to the back, I went to tap it into here. And what I did was simply just insert it into the connector for the 21 pin so it could join in, and so I don't have to touch anything else. Kind of get over it. Hey, it works, no one really cares. So where that comes from is that goes from here, you can see, and joins into our power right here. So I'm not sure how much that got. So basically, back of here, traces through here, and to I think it's the green, but it goes to the red. It's red right here, and that's for our 12 volt to go to our subwoofer. Again, I'll repeat again so you don't mess it up. Goes from here, our 12 volt to 21 pin to send it to the subwoofer. Next thing I did specifically, because you'll need to eliminate the lights and stuff like that, I'll come back and use electric trick, but as long as you guys can see, that's all that really matters right now. Is it on it? I can't even, there you go. Right, so that's just also going to our, you see, key, but it's really just our illumination, so we can have lights on the radio. So again, I will not make sure you fuck this up. 21 pin at the back here. You can even tap into the wire itself. I didn't necessarily want to tap into the wire because why did I want to tap it again? Oh yeah, because I want to keep it intact in case I want to put the radio back inside. I don't want to do any hard issue trying to take it out. None of that bullshit. But it connects here. All you really need is these two real like connections right here. I hear people say these, but I am not 100% sure on that one, honestly.